Hello everyone, welcome back to day 23 of our 30 days English speaking challenge. Today we are going to talk about a very important life skill, the power of saying no. Many people say yes to everything because they do not want to disappoint others. But sometimes saying no is necessary for our happiness, mental peace, and self respect. In this video, you will learn useful English sentences and understand why saying no can be one of the most powerful decisions in life. So, let's get started. I cannot do that right now. Sorry, I am busy today. I have other plans. I need some time for myself. I'm not comfortable with that. Thank you, but I will pass. I don't think that's a good idea. I have to say no. I cannot help this time. I'm already occupied. I need to focus on my work. I would rather not do that. I appreciate the offer, but no, that does not work for me. I'm not interested. I can't commit to that. You can say cannot, yeah, can't. Okay. I need to improve my time. I have enough on my plate. I don't agree with this. I would like to decline. No, thank you. I need some rest today. I have different priorities. I'm not available. I can't join you today. I need to think about it first. That is not possible for me. I choose not to do it. I'm setting my boundaries. I can't take more responsibilities now. I need to focus on my family. I don't have time today. I would prefer not to. I'm not ready for that. This is not the right time. I have to refuse politely. I value my peace of my mind. I need to say no sometimes. Saying no helps me stay balanced. A polite no is better than a forced yes. Every time you say no to something unimportant, you say yes to something that is truly matters. Confidence is not always saying yes. Confidence is knowing when to say no. I hope you learned some useful English sentences and understood the importance of saying no when necessary. Remember, saying no don't make you rude. It helps you protect your time, energy and peace of mind. Practice this sentence daily and try to use them in real life conversation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the day 24 with another interesting topic. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep practicing English confidently. Thank you and have a wonderful day.